Percy, the roof of your cab is on fire! Ah! Thomas, put it out! Use water! Put it out! Put it out! April Fools! Thomas? That wasn't funny. Why would you do that?
Oh, thank goodness I found you, Thomas. Do you know which line is the safe line? Oh, yeah, I do. Take the left track. It's the safe line. Thanks, Thomas.
Wow! April Fools!
Thomas, why would you do that? That's what Percy just said. Mike, look, a flying dog.
Where? April Fools! Hey!
I just saw Thomas. He did 2 other pranks on Emily and Mike, and he also did one on me. Also, I already told you that. The one he did on me. Pretending there was fire on the roof of my cab. And, well, he caused a lot of trouble for us. First, he did my prank. Then he caused Emily to have an accident. Then he tipped Mike over. These were all April Fool's pranks. Not even funny. Here, Percy, I have an idea. Now, we're gonna... Thomas, I'd like you to bring a car to the works. Oh, really? What happened to it? Well, actually, it broke down. So, can you take it over there? Sure. Okay, listen, Percy. I actually switched some of the controls inside Thomas. So once he gets to the points, he'll start to go really fast, and then he'll be out of control. Now let's go see Emily. All right? And also watch as my prank works.
Whoa, 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 I can't slow down! Ah!
Don't worry, Emily. We'll get you out of the way. Thanks.
Ah, look out! Hurry, Percy, before Thomas crashes into Emily. Look out! Ah! April Fools!
Oh, great. This was just another stupid prank.
Now get me back on the rails!
Jeez, calm down, Thomas. It was only a prank. But also to teach you for what you did to us. Yeah, don't worry. We'll get you back on track soon, Thomas.
Emily, you're late.
Yeah, it's just a prank, isn't it?
No, really, I mean it.
It's past 3 o'clock already. Uh-oh.